Welcome to the Collision Hub News Network, your monthly source for the collision repair news and information you need to keep your business moving ahead. In this episode, AutoNation begins sale of aftermarket crash parts, Kia recalls 500,000 vehicles due to airbag issue, GM advises shops to use impact-resistant structural adhesive. All this and more, let's get started.
NACE Automechanika returns to Atlanta, Georgia, August 8th through the 10th with the collision repair industry's greatest showcase of repair technology, education, and industry leaders. Register for a variety of classes targeted at improving your business, hosted by some of the biggest names in the collision repair industry, including hands-on training and demonstrations from iCar. Meet directly with a variety of OEs to discuss their latest repair procedures, or to learn what's coming in future designs and certification programs. Explore an expansive trade show floor with vendors representing all aspects of equipment, services, and products for every size and specialty of repair. Attend seminars and events designed to expand your industry awareness, such as the renowned MSO Symposium or the Collision Industry Conference. We also know that one of the most crucial parts of attending NACE is the valuable time spent networking. That's why we have selected the Georgia World Congress Center as the 2018 host site, spanning over 200 acres in downtown Atlanta. NACE attendees and exhibitors can reconnect with established business partners and connect with potential prospects while enjoying Atlanta's world-class art, entertainment, sports, and cuisine. Don't miss your chance to grow your business. Register now for NACE Automechanika 2018.
In just 4 months, AutoNation says it has assembled $15 million of inventory in aftermarket crash parts. One of the nation's largest OEM dealers has added the imitation parts line in an effort to grow what they call their customer care segment to over $100 million of gross profit in 2018. AutoNation has already set up infrastructure to distribute CAPA and NSF certified parts for body and mechanical repairs. These distribution centers will be sourced by outside customers and the company's own 80 collision centers. AutoNation Customer Care and Brand Extensions Executive Vice President Scott Arnold said, "Our aftermarket collision parts offering fills a key demand with our wholesale customers and complements our existing OEM offering. It's unclear on how this decision to use and sell aftermarket parts will affect OE certification of its 80 collision repair centers." Kia is recalling more than 507,000 vehicles in the United States. The vehicles recalled include 2010 through 2013 Kia Fortes, 2011 through 2013 Kia Optimas, and 2011 through 2012 Kia Optima hybrids and Sedonas. Kia cited an electrical overstress issue that could prevent the frontal airbags and seatbelt pretensioners from deploying. As of March, the National Highway Traffic Safety Association said it was aware of 6 crashes in which airbags failed to deploy during frontal crashes involving Kia and Hyundai vehicles. Collision repairers are cautioned to ensure vehicles in their facilities are free of recall requirements before being returned to customers. General Motors has advised shops to always use GM-approved impact-resistant structural adhesives in all situations where adhesive is applied, except for door skins. There are currently 4 approved adhesives: Ashland, Lord Fuser, SEM, and 3M. The move may help repairers avoid mistakenly using a non-structural adhesive where one would be needed. Shops are also reminded to follow the adhesive manufacturer's application recommendations and to pair the application with a mechanical bond such as a rivet, screw, or spot weld, but never a MIG weld. In other changes, starting with the 2018 model year, GM will now require repairers to use only squeeze-type resistant spot welding, where MIG plug welding was previously permitted to reduce heat exposure to the large amount of structural adhesive GM is using in newer vehicles. BASF Automotive Refinish has named Micro Auto Paint and Supplies the 2017 Distributor of the Year. Micro has been a critically important BASF partner in the Midwest for over 30 years, said Denise Kingstrom, Distribution Director, Automotive Refinish at BASF. The four-generation family-run distributor recently celebrated its 70th year in business, opening its doors in 1948 as a re-chrome bumper business, followed by expansion into automotive paint. Hicks attributes the long-run success to his Micro BASF team that works together to constantly improve service to its customers. Micro is a second-time winner of the BASF Distributor of the Year award. Dyna Company has an exciting announcement. For more, here's Kristen.
So we've got some exciting news that just kind of came out, and we're really excited to get kind of the first taste of it, the first look at it this week. Tony, you brought some amazing new things to the shop with us. Explain to everybody what's going on.
Well, we're excited at Dyna Company to have formed a marketing partnership with Dyna-Braid. Dyna-Braid's a 50-year-old company that makes great tools. They're all made here in the USA, and they were taking a look at doing something different with the representation. And so Dyna-M's part is we put them in contact with all of our rep agencies across the USA. And so beginning June 18th of this year, all of the Dyna Company representatives that have been representing the SATA products for us for all these years will now be the Dyna-Braid reps. So we're excited. It's a great opportunity.
So there were some great tools out there that we got a chance to play with over the last couple of days, and we had some guest painters come in as well that everybody knows on social media, playing and using with them. What was the general feedback from the painters after getting a chance to get their hands on the Dyna-Braid tools?
Well, I think everybody gets excited when they, sanding is so much fun. So, but
it's a critical part to painting, though.
Yeah, I know. So, but they had a great time. The tools always work. They're, as the SATA guns do, they're consistent and they last a long time. Great pieces of equipment, and I think the feedback yesterday was all good. Everything from the vacuums to the files to the orbital sanders to the buffers, everything works. It's quiet.
Yeah, now the vacuums are really nice. So there's been a lot of talk around the industry lately about contaminant control, and that's going to get more and more important as we try to get a little bit faster going through the collision repair process. And they had two options for contaminant control with the vacuum systems, a smaller vac and a larger vac, and super quiet. So I think the shops we've had testing them and playing with them have really enjoyed that functionality.
Well, we had both their Raptor vac, which is their larger model, and their Mini Raptor. And the Mini Raptor, I think, is going to be the one that, in the automotive refinish side, most people are going to take off with. You can get it in 3 different versions. One with a full-blown cart with a storage container for all the abrasives, places to hang everything with the auto on-off switch. When you hit the trigger, it works. All of that, and they're economically priced. And you can get that thing in a more stripped-down version without the auto on-off, where you just turn the unit on. You can get it without the cart. You can get it however you'd like, and they're in a wide array of price ranges that'll fit anybody's shop. So yeah, we're excited. It looks like it's going to be a real great product. And Dyna-Braid throughout this year, between now and SEMA, has a whole bunch of new things that are coming. So we're excited to be a part of that.
Yeah, have another thing that looks like your reps are going to be taking in the shop. So right now, I'm already familiar with my SATA rep, and I can start telling the body department and my paint department that they can start contacting your SATA people about the Dyna-Braid equipment? Yeah,
absolutely. Again, we're all of our representation will be getting training on the products from June 10th to the 13th. We're going up to Clarence, New York, up by Buffalo for all of the training, and so we're excited to get all of our people together and do the training and learn a lot more about it. So exciting new things.
Yeah, well, it sounds like it's going to be a great partnership. Dyna-Braid out of Buffalo, New York, and our Dyna people out of Minnesota, plus the distributors that market those products across the country. So if you have any questions about Dyna-Braid tooling or the vacuums or whatever, then find your closest SATA rep. If you don't know who your SATA rep is, well, then you just reach out to us here and we'll get you hooked up. Thanks.
A true mobile estimating solution is here. Autotex's mobile estimating can help you dramatically improve your estimating process. It is device independent and goes where you go. It includes the great features of Autotex estimating, such as AutoVin and color-coded, intelligent 3D graphics, allowing any appraiser to easily capture the VIN, vehicle options, photos, and vehicle damage in order to create the most accurate estimate and impress your prospective customer. Whether you're moving around your shop or working remotely, let mobile estimating from Autotex help you be more efficient, accurate, and ultimately get more keys.
Tesla says they'll open company-owned body shops in the top 10 metro areas by the end of this month. According to CEO Elon Musk, Tesla will add an annex to its largest service centers for body repairs and pre-stock each with parts to alleviate current repair delays. Tesla's independent certified shops have described an inadequate parts supply chain as the reason for delays. In contrast, the OEs claim that repairers' inefficiency is to blame. It's unclear how Tesla funneling an already low number of available parts to its own shops will affect their customers who have vehicles in independent repair facilities. Tesla's certification, repair processes, and parts availability will take on greater importance as Model 3 sales and delivery increases. Musk boasted that the Model 3 had already become the #1 mid-sized premium sedan despite only one version being available. Kia has released a position statement warning shops to scan vehicles before and after repair. The company called pre- and post-scans imperative in the collision repair process, and that the scanning procedure should not be considered an option but rather an essential task. The OE also reminded repairers and insurers that a diagnostic trouble code alert may not always illuminate a DTC indicator light on the dash, meaning a scan is the only way a vehicle can be restored to the condition as originally engineered. You can find a link to download this statement on Repairer Driven News. The OEM Collision Repair Roundtable is looking to make collision repair procedures easier. Collision repairers have long complained about the use of different icons and keys when referencing a single process in a procedure. The Roundtable is now working on a way to consolidate that information to a more consistent set of symbols. This move to standardization of repair icons may make it easier for technicians and estimators to become more proficient in estimating and applying multiple OE procedures.
With the great success of the Atom 2, whether in chrome or in black, we've decided to have a promotion for this summer beginning July 1 through August 25 on the Atom 2s. That promotion includes everything from the Atom 2s fitting the 5000s and the phaser guns to the regular Atom docks that fit everything from the 4000s all the way back through all of our primer guns and other top coat guns, as well as on the mini jet. So you can save anywhere from $41 up to $65 depending on which versions you buy. Talk to your local distributors. They can begin getting the pre-orders in to stock beginning in the middle of June. But again, the promotion will run from July 1 through the end of August 2018. Save yourself $40 to $65. Have the most precise measurement tool in the industry on your spray gun.
Thank you for watching this month's episode of Collision Hub News. We hope you'll make CHNN your source for the collision repair news and information you need. Want more in-depth coverage of stories you heard about today? Visit Repairer Driven News, your daily source for information and editorial features for the collision repair industry. If you need to catch up on past episodes of CHNN, visit our YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe so you'll never miss another edition.